EMEX has been a fantastic opportunity for the EMA to mix and mingle with our members, our partners and the wider manufacturing community. Knowing where to start in terms of adopting a lot of these new technologies into your business is not easy, and that's where we are here to help you adapt. You might ask, what is Industry 4? So Industry 4 is the convergence of a range of digital technologies: 3D printing, artificial intelligence, augmented reality, virtual reality, and the Internet of Things. So we had a stand at the EMEX conference, and it was a great opportunity for us to engage with our members and address some of the challenges that we recognise they're facing in their business at the moment. Another really great highlight was the official launch of the Advanced Manufacturing Industry Transformation Plan. We see the opportunity for advanced manufacturing in New Zealand to remain globally competitive. Clearly there are some challenges and some opportunities that need to be addressed. 21 actions have been identified under these 6 priority areas, and that needs to be whittled down to 5 that we're going to focus on over the next 3 years. Provide your feedback into the draft plan that you can access online through advancedmanufacturing.nz. It's a great plan. It's been in partnership with industry, with the unions, with government, with Māori stakeholders and other stakeholder groups. So it's a true partnership, co-owned by industry and enabled by government. It was also a great opportunity for us to mix with our manufacturing members and really get a deeper understanding of where they see the challenges for the manufacturing sector over the next 5 years and where are the opportunities for them. $220 exhibitors, 5,000 visitors at EMEX, all there really focused on looking at opportunities to grow their business. How can we do things better? So highly recommend EMEX, which comes around every 2 years.